everyone. We're going to Waki Street, Pattaya right now with Yorgi and Teo.
Yes, and we use tuk-tuk now. Already near Walking Street.
Drive a Cadillac. You don't gotta burn.
Take a look, bloggers stand here, bloggers, and take video here, they show, yes? And they not stop, take a look, yes. I said the bloggers also, yes? Aye? Again we lost Georgi. I don't know where Georgi.
I nothing for Adidas.
I don't know also where he goes. He in Burger King right now. Okay, we will wait him. You want it right now?
No. I just checked if they have what I want.
Okay. So you won't let her eat here? Take a look, Georgi. Windmill Club. This one. Before, you remember, we been in... You not remember? This is windmill. This one. Do you want now? Georgi, do you want?
To order.
Aye?
Order something.
No, we can drink water only. Last time we also drink water. Water only. We before order water, yes?
What? I ordered before cola.
Cola? Ah, you order cola. Ah, I don't know. I will ask him. If you want, we can go to windmill, take a look.
I don't need to drink.
Ah, water you don't want to drink. Ah. Okay, just take a look only. Ah, it's Lady Boy Club. Ah, this is windmill. But windmill before, this one windmill and another. Ah, excuse me, two windmill? Two? Windmill? Ah, this is windmill. This 99 baht. Windmill. Ah?
Right?
He don't want. He don't want. No.
You want or not?
Do you want or you don't want drink now? Ah, you don't want go? Georgi don't want right now.
Okay, we can order and take. Don't open.
Aye?
We can order, but don't drink inside. Take away.
Aha.
You can drink cola
You,
here.
we can order water, but ask don't open the bottle. Give the bottle, and I take it with me. I don't want to drink inside.
Okay, but-
Don't want to drink now.
Okay, but I can drink cola inside.
No,
Yes, we need to order. All of us.
Uh-huh.
We need to order. But I don't want to drink inside.
Okay.
I just want order something, a bottle of water, and take outside.
Okay.
So don't open.
Okay, okay. Okay, I switch off camera. Hi everyone, we already been in Windmill Club. For me not interesting. Georgi also say it is not interesting. Most of girls is fat. I don't know what. For who is, I don't know. No, Shaira will also explain what she seen. Shaira, what you think? What is a Windmill Club? I don't know. For me not interesting.
Of course, for you not interesting.
No, why? Most of
No, for me it's okay. Okay, for me, okay.
for you what is okay?
Nothing. It's
Yeah,
nothing.
girls, most of girls is fat.
Yeah, no. It's interesting.
Ah, no, you
also.
like
It's
fat, I
okay.
know.
It's okay for me. Fat or not, it's okay for me, okay?
Aha, girls without clothes all.
It's okay.
Georgi said, oh, without clothes, yeah.
So let's go into Walking Street better.
So going to Walking Street. But for you, Georgi, what?
What?
Windmill Club.
Yes, I remember we were there.
Yes. What about you? Good for you or not?
I see already the girls with boobs and pussy. So nothing interesting, nothing new.
Not
I
new
don't
for
know
you.
What I can see there.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Girl say hi, Russian girl say hi to me.
Dressed they like my